Hey man, welcome back to another vlog. It's a little early for me, I'm feeling a little tired. It's not quite settled in yet that I'm gonna be drifting Horse Thief Mile. By the title of the video, you guys already know. Hopefully it's not something clickbaity like me crashing or something. But anyways, we have the car all loaded up. I always have to show it. I got the fluids, it's a little dark, I'm sorry. Got all the fluids, I'm not gonna fill up gas just yet. Canopy, 2 chairs, 4 tires, axles, tools, jack stands, a jack, camera gear, car's all topped off with fluids. We're pretty much ready. Alright, we've made it to Horse Thief Mile. I've never been here, it's kind of scary. You can see the track in the background. That's scary, man. I want to label it, zoom in, label, scary. One thing I forgot to mention is on the way here as I was driving, my battery ended up rubbing up against my chassis and I was positively like surging my chassis, so the ground was arcing and my whole car shut off. My temporary fix, of course. But I don't know if it's coincidence, but since that happened, the car's acting like super funny now, but whatever, it should be absolutely fine. I've already driven the track once. The track's all up here. You can see Homeboy in the background. It looks super scary, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna act like this is gonna be a-okay. I'm super nervous about it. I'm gonna set you guys up on the swivel mount. A lot of you asked me about the swivel mount. I'm not getting paid to say this, but swivel mount, check them out. It's pretty awesome. But I'm gonna set you guys up on that so you guys can see the track as I'm driving, and hopefully I'll get more and more comfortable. And once I do get more comfortable, I'll set you guys up on the face cam, do some POV action, and it should be all good. I've done a couple more laps. I'm actually connecting the track now, but the problem is with the temperature outside, after 2 laps, my car's like shooting water out of the cap and it's starting to overheat. And I'm not the only one overheating. Everyone's overheating. And so I'm running 2 bottles of water wetter in my radiator, and I can see that it cools down really fast, but as far as like me being in drift, I'm at the top of second now with the new diff. And it works, but it's just the weather's killing it. Like I can't go past 2 laps and my tires get way too hot, and I don't want to start chunking them and like completely destroying tires. But I think if you hot lap like 3 times, you'll kill a set of tires like nothing. Repeat that for the camera, please.
It's way too hot.
Yeah.
Never have cooling.
He always drifts with the hood on, and he's got to take it off because he's overheating. Who would have known an EJ would overheat? You know, that's probably like the last issue you ever have. Jerry, you're overheating too, right, with your VQ? Dude,
That's normal though.
Oh yeah, it's just DQ stuff. All right, I'm gonna try to be a better vlogger, and I'm gonna set up cameras. I'll probably do the POV cam. I forgot my normal white helmet that has like all the stickies, but I think this will work, and I'll just run attachments. I'll put you guys on my helmet so you guys can see kind of more of what's going on. But everyone's overheating. It's super hot. We all hate the sun. So I don't really know, like this portion here, I guess I could drift it, but it's such a long straight. I don't know if I should be at the top of second or third. I don't even think I could connect it. So we let the car sit for about 30 minutes, and we're already at 170 out of the radiator. So we're sitting at about 190 off the engine, which is okay. That's like operating temperature, it's not bad. But I normally skid this too, but I don't know what's happening at the bottom of the hill. Fans are on. I don't even know. I'm gonna try to hydro entry on this and see what happens. at 200 now. God damn. Coming in on that super hot. I'm gonna try to like let it cool down, and right when we get back up to, am I still recording? Yeah, I am. Once I get back up to the top, I'll start drifting that again. All this elevation changing is really, really, really scary. All right, let's do it again. Fuck that. I ain't doing that. Pissing water, boys. God damn. All right, the car's doing all right, man. It's just getting a little too hot, but I don't blame my car because everyone else is overheating. I'm gonna turn it on, so I still gotta be cycling my water through my radiator. I want to see what my temperature's at. Hot. Ooh, we're about like 25. These they're kind of cooked. I'm gonna probably do 2 more laps on them, and I'm gonna drop to 20 psi hot on both sides. My adrenaline going. I can feel my tires going out, so I'm gonna do 1 more lap. I'm not gonna do this first corner because I end up straining out anyways. I'll start on the second corner, and then we'll see what we can do. My tires are done. I'm gonna do a cool off lap, and then I'm gonna switch tires. These tires are just toast. All right, I got the freshies on. I dropped to about like 16, 15 psi cold, and my car gets hot after 2 laps, and I have to wait like 30 minutes for it to cool down, which super sucks. But I'm gonna set you guys back up on the swivel mount. Hopefully the footage looks good now that I can connect the track. You wanna be on camera, dude? Is that what it is? What are you doing, bro?
I'm just so tired of it.
I know, right? Today was such a good turnout, but a lot of people already left just because they can't run a lot of laps. It's super hot. It's kind of unfortunate, but it sucks. I hate that I can only do 2 laps, but it is what it is, you know. Half the people either have engine problems and then the other half's overheating. You already know, man. All right, I think my car's cooled down enough to where I can do 2 more laps because that's all I can get. I'm gonna throw you guys inside the car now. Again, I'm running, for those that have been asking me, I just run swivel mount. It's just a magnetic mount, and then I just put GoPro attachments. I've never done the height drop down like that. Usually I have the GoPro just directly on the mount, but I added this just so you won't see too much of like the roof and stuff. So yeah, put you guys on that, do 2 more laps, and I think I'm done for the day because it's just way too hot, man. Sunlight, but we packed up because it's just too hot. I'm out, dude. Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah, dude, you get 2 laps and then you're fucking overheating.
I know. We're leaving early. After 2 laps, I overheat. Everyone was overheating. It was kind of lame. And the no passenger thing, it is what it is. I enjoyed it. I didn't connect horse thief as things are falling off behind me. I didn't connect horse thief fully. I couldn't get that initial entry when you turn in right and that ginormous dip. I couldn't do it. I felt like my nose is too heavy when I was coming down. My rear pretty much felt too light. It's fine. It is what it is. But I think that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends. Let them know. I'll be buying another drift car. I'll be buying another project pretty soon, so stay tuned for that.